Unplanned pregnancy is not the issue which is faced by unmarried couples only. Lots of married couples also come across the issue of unplanned pregnancy. Women or couples coping with unplanned pregnancies have to deal with lots of stress, depression, and tension. Unplanned pregnancies are not only associated with unmarried couples, but even married couples get worried if they do not have plans to bear the child at present. However, it is a matter of deep concern when you are unmarried and you miss a period as also your urine test turns positive. You get confused, worried, and feel like killing yourself. This is natural, but not the solution. Do not go in for any hasty decision or come to any kind of conclusion. Pregnancy is otherwise a time to celebrate, but if you have unplanned pregnancy, you need time to overcome the stress and tension. There are lots of feelings that come and go, and the two that persist are anger and guilt. Things look bigger than you can handle at this tender age. It is important that you take the decision about what you wish to do with this pregnancy on your own. However, you can take advice of an expert, counselor, or doctor. You may also discuss this issue with your partner. You can consider financial issues, social issues, physical issues, and psychological issues while taking final decision. Even if it is unplanned pregnancy, this does not mean that this is the end of your life. There are many situations in life when we have to face emergencies, and this is one of them. You have to handle it prudently and take decision that is good and right for you and your life.